Speaking is that part of English language that allows us to express ourselves verbally. English is one of the official language that we can use to communicate with different people from different parts of the world. In a real world, when speaking to people, there are certain techniques that aid us to deliver or express ourselves better. We have them as your sentence construction, your pronunciation of words, clarity of your vocabulary words, and your grammar. Getting all this right put together is what we term fluency in English speaking. Welcome back. Speaking is one thing and being fluent in speaking is another. So actually do your normal speaking, but if you want to actually improve the way you speak, add some colors to how you speak, then there is every need for little extra effort. All right, so let's look at some of the things that we need to add, we need to bring in, we need to make a priority if we actually want to improve our English speaking. The first one is listening. All right, as we all know, speaking is the opposite of listening, or listening is the opposite of speaking. All right, so it has been you listen, you learn, and you speak. That has been the cycle from birth. So if you actually want to be a good English speaker, or you want to be fluent in speaking English, then first thing first, you have to be a good listener. Then number two, practice. Intonation, body language, gestures are some of the things that aid us to express ourselves better. So practicing in this form, watch, listen, learn, imitate, and record yourself has been one of the practicing methods that has worked over time. And number three, engage yourself in English speaking activities such as joining an English discussion group, and make sure you are actively involved in the group. You can as well practice public speaking. Try learning from your trials and error. Don't try to be perfect. Learn according to your level and advance. And number four, read books. Read English books, commentaries, watch English movies, absorb English every day, at least some words, phrases, sentences every day. And number five, relax your brain and learn according to your level, then you advance. Don't try to be perfect. Relax, enjoy the language, and you're sure gonna improve. All right, so this is what it is today for this video, and I hope you guys enjoy every part of it and you got something for yourself. This is the very first video on speaking, and don't forget, the opposite of speaking is listening. So if you want to actually improve, basically you have to start with being a good listener. That is the word, the core word for today, listening skill. Okay, so if you want to be fluent, improve your English language, you need to be a good listener. For only when you listen, you learn, and you are able to do that. All right, so that's that for today's video, and thank you for watching. And don't forget, if you just see me for the first time, don't make it your last. Subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around, and please pay good attention on this very level. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video, and bye for now.